Let me quickly show you how to change your username on Venmo. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. If it's been a while since you added in your username and you're now trying to add in a new one onto your Venmo account, in this video, let me show you the process. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into it. In order for you to change your username on your Venmo account, you need to head over to the Me tab, which is on the bottom right of the screen. Once you head over to the Me section, you'll see the gear icon, which is on the top right of the screen. Now, basically, this is the section where you can manage settings for your profile. So just tap on the settings icon on the top right. Once you tap on settings, it's going to show you a few options that are inside of settings. In order for you to change your username, tap on the edit profile option, which is the first option from the top. Now, once you tap on edit profile, it's going to show you your first name, your last name, your current username, and the email address that is linked with your Venmo account. Now, in order for you to change it, just tap on the username option, remove the existing username that you have, and then add in a new one. Whenever you create a username, make sure that it is unique and make sure that it is currently available. So once you updated the username that you want, you can tap on the save button that is on the top right of the screen. Once the username now has been updated, make sure you inform other people as well so that the amount can be rightfully transferred from other people's Venmo back to your Venmo as well. So that's the easy steps that you need to follow in order to change your username on Venmo. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.